All right, so shooting the last round of Hasbro's Hammer Time Challenge. Shooting the Budget Mark II, Wolf Match Target, and let's go ahead and give it a rip. Oh. Oh man, I might miss that one too. Oh goodness. Oh, I think I'm killing Mario, but gotta go for the coins. What in the hay? Risk reward's too good. All right. Well, that was a complete train wreck, but so were all the other targets I did. Like I said before, I have shot one attempt. I printed one of each target, and I've attempted each target one time. Now that I've done that, I'm going to print a couple more of all of them, and I'm going to try to improve my score if it doesn't close out before I get to a few other things. Because I've got my eye on a Ruger American Gen 2 300 Blackout that I really want to buy. And I'm thinking about doing it just because of this challenge, but I don't need it. But anyway, there it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and hope to see you at the range. All right, so Hammer Time target with the Budget Mark II just now. So that's 1 point, 2 points, 4 points, miss, miss, 3 more, 7 points, 3 more, 10 points, miss, 10 plus 5 is 15, minus 1 for hitting them in the head or hands. That's another 5, so that's 19 minus 1 because it hit him in the head for sure there. 18 plus 5 is 23. Went for the first coin, missed it here. 21. Plus 10, 31. So 31 for a score on that. That might be my best target.